This creepy home is the Winchester Mystery House in San Jose, California. The beautiful and bizarre mansion of the wealthy widow and heir to the Winchester Rifle fortune. After the death of Sarah's baby daughter Annie, and 15 years later, the death of her husband William, Sarah consulted a Boston psychic. He told her that people killed by the Winchester rifle had sought revenge by killing her family. And, he said, the only way Sarah could escape death was to move to California, buy a house, and build on it as the spirits directed. A small farmhouse in 1884 grew into a 7-story Victorian mansion with as many as 600 rooms. Sarah Winchester turned her personal grief into an architectural reflection of her psyche.
This is the creepiest staircase in the house. You'll take 44 steps, travel over 100 feet, make 7 complete turns, only to find yourself on the floor below, just 9 feet away.
Her home is called the house that spirits built. So doors often open into walls, fireplaces have no chimneys, and staircases go nowhere.
This is the seance room, where every night at midnight, Sarah came here alone and invited the spirits to join her and give her instructions on where they should be building the very next day.
The spirits told Sarah that all would be well so long as the sound of hammers didn't stop. A staff of carpenters worked around the clock until the house covered 4 acres. Even though they died years ago, some of the workers are still on the job. A painter wearing overalls walks the hallway near the laundry room. He's been seen many times, even by security guards. Bells connected by ropes called her servants, the only people allowed inside besides the carpenters, and the spirits, of course. Sarah did not admit visitors, and she hid from cameras. This is one of the only photos of Sarah Winchester, taken without her permission by a gardener.
In 1922, at the age of 82, Sarah died in this very bedroom. But she could have died in any of her bedrooms because she never slept in the same bedroom 2 nights in a row.
Sarah's frequent bedroom switches were done to confuse the spirits. Today, there are 40 bedrooms, 47 fireplaces, 17 chimneys, 13 bathrooms, 6 kitchens, 10,000 windows, and 2,000 doors, all in 24,000 square feet. Sarah's spirit still lives on in the house. This lady of mystery achieved a unique kind of eternal life. Now that Sarah's gone, her spirit opens the home's doors to visitors. Dare, if you will.